So in this video, I want to show you how you can create free invoices using Geegpay Africa or Geegpay.Africa. So I already have videos about Geegpay.Africa, and what Geegpay does or what they do is they give us bank accounts that we can use to receive money internationally. So you have the US dollars account, you have pounds, you have euro, you have naira, and all of that. But you can actually use this website to create invoices for free, and that is what I want to show you in this video. So if you come here, you can see this creates new invoice. So if you come here, you can see invoices. This is where you find all the invoices that you have created. So if you click on create new invoice, you first need to add a customer. All right, so I just did this not so long ago, but you can come here, click on add new customer, and you can generate a new customer. So you need to put an email for this customer because this invoice is going to be sent to the customer via email. So I'm just going to put one email here that we use. So you can add their billing address, but in most cases you don't need all of that. So you come here, you click on create customer. That's the first thing you need to do. So you need to put the invoice information, and here the good thing with this website or Geegpay is that you can select these invoices in different currencies. So you can do it in naira, in British pound, euro, and dollar. So I'm just going to do this in dollars. So I select dollar. So you want to issue the date when you want this invoice to be active. So this is the date we are issuing it, 12 January 2025, which is the day I'm making this video. You want to select when it's due. So if you want it to be that day, you can just leave it that day. But let's say I want this invoice to be due on the 17th, which will be Friday. All right, I come here, I want to add a description. So let's say I built a funnel for this business. I'm just going to say maybe funnel design or funnel creation. I'll come here, I'll put a quantity. So let's say I built one funnel for them. Let's say I'm charging them $150. All right, I can add another item here. Let's say domain. Let's say domain renewal or just domain name. So you can add multiple items. So let's say the domain is equally one. Of course, it can be more than one if you wanted. And let's say $50. So you can add multiple items here if you want, but I'm just going to leave that for now. So if you come here, there are VAT or VAT that will be charged. So in Nigeria it's 7.5. So if you want to be the one to pay the VAT, you can leave this unchecked. But if you want to send, if you want the person who is paying to pay for the VAT, you can check this. That means they will add the fee to the person. So also there's an invoice fee that the clients can, you or the clients can pay. So let's say want to be the one to pay the fees. So as you can see, the invoice fee here is $1.94. So the invoice fee is not paid until you use your invoice to receive a payment. So after that, you come here, you click on continue, and you want to select how you want to receive this payment. So the available method they can use now is bank transfer. So they have to transfer this to you. So now this is the fee you are going to pay for receiving this money. So Geegpay gives you this bank account, but if a deposit comes in, they are going to charge you 0.9% of the total amount, or a minimum of $1.5. So you come here, you click on continue, and you can see what our invoice looks like. You can add your company logo just to look professional and all of that, but I'm not going to do that now. So if you come down, you see everything here. You come here where it says click send invoice. You can send it now or schedule it to go out later. So I'm just going to send it now. And remember, we provided an email address, and that's why we provided this email. So as you can see, the invoice has been sent to Noel, and the total amount they are going to pay is $215. So you can create multiple invoices if you wanted, but let's go and see if we actually received this invoice. So as you can see, the invoice has arrived. So if I click on this invoice, I'm going to see the information. So this is the information. The invoice is from my account name, and Renest is, I think, the parent company of Geegpay. So you can see the total amount that we are going to pay, which is now $216. This is including VAT and all of that. So you are going to see the breakdown here. The breakdown here is the funnel design is $150, the domain name $150, and then their own fee is $1.93, and that's how we came to $216. So this is the bank account that they need to pay to, and they have to do it as ACH or wire transfer. So they will get this account number. This is the account number that Geegpay provided me, and what they can do is just click on pay now, and let's see how they can pay. Of course, this here shows us that they can just basically send this. All right, you can basically just send to this account, but if they click on pay now, it's going to take them to a link where they can actually pay directly. So this is what it's going to look like. All right, this is what it's going to look like, and this is the invoice ID and all of that. So if they click on pay now, they are going to be able to pay through bank transfer, and it's going to give them my bank transfer again. So this is inside the USA because this is a US bank account. So you can see how much they are going to pay. This is the account name, the account bank. So they just have to transfer to it directly. And once they've done, they can come here and say, I've transferred this money. And you see, bank transfer might take a few days, but it's going to be acknowledged that it has been paid. So this is how you can create invoices on Geegpay. So if you come back here, you go to your dashboard, you are going to see the invoice. So if you come to all your invoices here, you are going to see the invoice that we just created, which is this one here. Is awaiting payment. The moment we receive the payment, it's going to come here to paid. All right, but if you schedule them, you can see the schedule date, and then if it goes beyond the schedule date and they did not pay, you see it as overdue. And if we scheduled it, we are going to see it here before it goes out. So this is how you can create invoices for free using Geegpay. Technically, it's not free because you have to pay the invoice fee, but the invoice fee is only paid when you receive money. So I hope this video helps you. Please like the video, subscribe. I'll see you.